Guys, today we'll talk about how can you change password on your Zello app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you to 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 change your password. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on options, then it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on profile, then you come to next step here, click here on change password, then here add your current password you have before, and here your new password here. So when you're done, you just click here on change now, then it's going to change with you on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.